cares about how many knots?
Wow.
Two. Okay.
2 knots. This is not a fast boat. This is a cruiser.
Okay.
You know, if you're making 6, you're doing good.
Okay.
Ooh, over here, over here.
Let's skip.
Wow, that nice.
I'm gonna put my phone inside.
Okay. Look, see? Hummingbird, look. Look at that.
Okay.
Look,
I see it.
look, it's a swan.
I see it.
Look, Meleq.
Oh, okay. They put some kind of festivity over here. What that is. Sit down.
So keep your hand.
You don't need no shade. You enjoy y'all's beautiful service. Beautiful weather.
That's the kind of wind we got.
Okay.
So we're not going to sail real well. We need quite a bit of wind to sail.
Okay.
So, but we will put everything up so you can see how it works. For the most of the time, we're on the motor.
Okay.
We'll slow down so you can see how it works.
This right here is going about you said about 6 knots.
Well, we have a current with us. The current is helping us. Water movement is going this way right now. So if it wasn't there, it'd be about 5. Right now, it'd be 7. Parent 7. That's right. The parent 7. Well, the real overground 7.
So when you sail the Caribbean, you mostly motor or you mostly just sail like?
Go.
And what's the
Sit still. Sit still.
It's waves.
So
See, it's look.
Beckway? You know what Beckway is? Okay, that's an equal place.
Why are you 20
St. Thomas?
roads?
St. Thomas?
It's too dangerous.
Hold in there.
Stay back.
090, and it just goes down. There's nothing fancy. You have to know, you have to tell it.
okay, so it's GPS things.
It does have GPS. It has a chart plotter for a demo. And I'll teach you about the forces that act on a sail. So this is your when you're in the water, right? And the wind is blowing on you, right? The wind's blowing from some direction, okay?
Hard. Hard opening. Look out your water. Hey, I say go.
Where's Yahweh? Where's Yahweh?
No.
it just flutters like a flag. So there's no load on it. It's not
Oh, okay, gotcha.
full. It's just loose. And then-
What was that couple?
and
Don't have to worry about that.
why don't we just do it wrong?
Okay.
Show you how screwed up it is. And
Okay.
then, we're going away from the wind. It's the worst possible direction. All right, so that pulls
No, no.
sail to get more power.
What that
See how it's already getting
Aha, that couple.
ball to move up here in the front.
Oh
Okay.
This
Yeah, it can move like this.
boom is going to be moving. Yes.
no. Oh
Sheets. They're what pull the boom, pull the mainsail into the wind to grab power, grab horsepower.
no. Ooh,
Look a
this.
little different
Hard to lucky.
on that.
What that
See what's going to happen here? The sail automatically wants to fill up. Okay, keep going. Still moving. Okay, so if the wind's behind you and you're running away from the wind, let's say the wind's 10 miles an hour and it's behind you and you're moving 10 miles an hour, what's that relative wind? 0. You're running away from it. You're taking all the kick out of it.
Man,
that couple.
he got a lot to say.
Looks like there's not enough wind either. Looking at it, you wrap clockwise. Okay. Let's talk about when you're handling ropes. Never do this. If that gets a load in it, it's going to crush your fingers. So don't ever wrap it. If you can't pull it, go to a winch. Another safety thing. It's going to pick you up, throw you into the ocean, or worse.
Okay.
Rope, you don't want to get your fingers in there, right? Because the load can get thousands of pounds of load can get on these ropes, and they will crush your bones. So you gotta be careful. Right,
Oh, you put it in there when you actually want to tighten it.
okay, well normally on some
Hey, my God.
hold it slips.
Oh, okay.
So if you pull it tight, it grabs, right? And so on a regular winch, you got to do two things. You got to grind and you got to pull. Okay. With a self-tailor, it's like a second person. It does the pulling. Okay. So are you? Do you feel it? Do you see it starting to get some wind in it now because we've slowed down so much?
What kind of winch is it?
It's a 2-speed winch. Either way, and it goes one way. 2 speeds. Gear down. Not be able to set that up right now. Even with the winch, you would have to turn it to the wind. Point to where it's
Okay.
right?
Look, I found that
Tell me
couple.
when we're getting close to pointing it to the wind.
That's
Change
couple.
direction.
Oh, yeah.
A whole lot easier, right?
Yeah.
That's because it's unloaded. So if the wind was really blowing hard, you'd have to do what we're doing right now.
Okay.
Point in the wind, pull it up, then go back
Is that
on.
called tacking? Is that what it is?
Yeah, well, when you could come across the wind, we're about to tack, and I need to, when the wind comes onto this,
What is that? I found couple.
here.
What's that about?
But here you get 2 hands and turn, go the other way, make sure you get it all the way, get the horsepower. When it's light wind, you got to put up more sail. When it's high wind, you want less sail. Just by itself.
Think this is.
If you want to tack, right, you want to change direction from going that way,
No.
you're going to turn left. You're under control. Okay, and when you get on this side of the wind, those sails are going to fill back up with wind, both main and head sail. And then you'll be off going that way. It's called tack. Tack. The other option is let's say we want to go from this direction over to this road.
It's too
99%.
Don't do that, Simeon.
So, road ruling, which are
So you ever had a problem with those getting stuck?
they're a pain in the ass.
So they can't get stuck.
Oh, yeah.
Today, I'm speaking. Right back.
Make a big ball.
Maybe the ball was right here. Okay.
That thing, what you want to do is control the friction. Can you feel the load in that? Feel the load, how much load?
Okay, that's the extra time.
So what we're doing is, see that, say on the front, we pulled it out that far. We want that thing to keep coming out. Try that. Ease off.
Oh, can you imagine us sailing and we all sitting here together?
This is decent size.
Huh?
It's decent size for all of us.
Huh?
Decent size. Okay.
What you say,
Yeah,
baby?
you let it go. It's a decent size for all of us.
Oh, wow. Yeah, but it's 65 foot. So I told you need a big boat.
It ain't rocking too bad.
I told you. well, you were not like in open waters.
Oh.
This is more controlled, I believe. You, Yahweh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The city of. Oh wow. Beautiful. If you open up the sails, you guys. Right there. The blue and green. That right there. He opened that up. Beautiful. See what you did, babe? Pretty cool. We are sailing.
Yeah.
When you're running downwind, that's what you think. On the boat you buy,
That's pretty cool. And what is this? Would you use this?
Well, this he said this is like a special kind of boat catch.
Okay.
it's a miniature mainsail. This one does everything down with this.
And he
Okay.
said basically give you more variety, but it's more moving parts.
Boat, you can buy an inflatable dam. Collapse it,
Probably one we already got.
stick it below.
What you
If you're
mean?
across the ocean,
So that the floating raft we got, that inflatable raft, we probably use the thing. Maybe. You maybe want to use that when you're going in and
Well,
town.
but it's not gonna carry all of us. That right there could carry what? Five people?
Oh, you pretty much saw what I did.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's not.
So you're using your engine and sails.
Yeah, we are.
Okay. So what do you think about sailing so far, Meleq?
It's a learning experience, just like with anything else.
Your concern was that the boat was going to be, the monohull will be rocking a lot.
Yeah, but it may not be as bad. So it's a learning experience, like sailing, doing anything else, learning. 40 years old, so why not learn something new? Turn a new page in my life.
See how we got that boom lock? Now that's look the sails. Lower the sails.
About it.
Depends on how much you have them exposed to. The sun is going to kill sails. Big waves.
When you got bigger waves.
Yeah. Because it's trying to balance itself.
But we said, when that happens, take the wind, not the wind blowing, take your sails down,
That makes sense.
and that way you just flow pretty well.
Iron 9 to maybe 8 and storm. By yourself. We're both going to keep going.
Oh, wow.
You can't even swim 2 knots. It could be this calm and fall in the water and you're gone.
That's why it's especially good to have somebody let you know where you're at.
If you're in the ocean, the rule I have